5 ingredients, 5 minutes to prep, and 16 minutes to cook. I'm Bea from El Mundo Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make this crispy soy sauce chicken. We're going to start with our seasoning. 1 tablespoon of less sodium soy sauce. I highly recommend you to use this. With this, you can use more amount for more flavor without having to worry about your dish being too salty. This is the only seasoning soy sauce that I have in my kitchen. Okay, moving on. Half tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of sriracha. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. And that's all for our seasoning. Here's 1 pound of boneless chicken thigh. Just make sure to pat the chicken really dry. That's the secret to get crispy skin later when we cook it. So let's just mix everything together and coat the chicken very well. And that's it. Some oil on our air fryer baskets and then just put the chicken in. Use air fry mode, 390 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Cook for 16 to 20 minutes. This depends on the size of the chicken. Let me know in the comment below what other air fryer recipes you would like me to make. Look at the juicy meat. Serve this with some sesame seeds, rice, and a squeeze of lime. Thanks for watching, guys.